Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Upasana's maths class. So here we are given a question that x and y are positive integers. They are positive. And we are given this thing. X plus xy is 76 and we are supposed to find x plus y. Okay. What do we do in this type of cases? We have what is given. We will just write that thing first. Actually it is x plus xy plus y, right? Can I write it this thing as this? Yes. Okay. So if I take x common here, I get y plus 1 plus y equal to 76. Okay. Can I add 1 on both sides? Yes. Right. What will I get then? Here as well we have y plus 1, y plus 1. What will I do? I will take common y plus 1 and I will be left with x plus 1 here, and that is 77. Right. And now the main thing lies here. We are given x and y are positive integers, right? Positive integers means so x and y are greater than equal to 1, right? That means x plus 1 and y plus 1 both are greater than equal to 2, right? Because x and y are greater than equal to 1. Now this is what combinations we can have. 70 that we, if we multiply them, we need to get 77, right? So either I can have 1 times 77, or I can have 77 times 1, or I can have 7 times 11 or 11 times 7, right? We don't have any other factors except this. Okay. These two cases are not possible because x plus 1 or y plus 1 cannot be equal to 1. They are greater than equal to 2, right? So if we see these cases, then either x plus 1 is 7 or y plus 1 is 7. If x plus 1 is 7, y plus 1 is 11. Or if y plus 1 is 7, x plus 1 is 11. Right? In this case, x is 6, y is 10. Here, y is 6, x is 10. Right? So in both cases, whatever x we have or whatever y we have, we actually need to find x plus y. In both these cases, what is x plus y? X plus y is 16, right? Here as well, x plus y is 16. So in both these cases, our answer is 16.